निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सपक्ष सपक्ष कहा निश्चित साध्यवान सपक्षः। Now I will ask, only that person should answer. What is pakshaha? What is pakshaha? See and tell me. संदिग्ध साध्यवान पक्षः। संदिग्ध साध्यवान पक्षः। What is विपक्ष?
निश्चित साध्य भाववान विपक्ष।
निश्चित साध्य अभाववान विपक्षः। So पक्ष सपक्ष विपक्ष. Sapaksha will become drishtanta. Paksha you cannot give as drishtanta because there sadhya nishchaya is not there. Where sadhya nishchaya is not there, that cannot be your drishtanta. Drishtanta will be where sadhya is already nishchita, means where vyapti is already confirmed. Okay. Okay, next question. What is anumanam? Anumitikaranam, anumanam. Okay. Now, what is anumitikaranam? There are two answers. What is anumitikaranam? See and tell me.
Linga Paramarsha.
Linga Paramarsha is anumitikaranam. Correct. But Linga Paramarsha is anumitikaranam. In which paksha? Where? We have seen there where the vyavahara vyaparavat karanam karanam. If this mata is given, then what is anumanam? Where vyaparvat karanam karanam is given, then vyapti jnanam is anumanam. When vyaparvat karanam karanam is not given, then linga paramarsha is anumanam. See on page number 61. In Padakritya. second last line. Page number 61, Padakritya, second last line. Idameva linga paramarsha ityuchyate. What is anumanam? Linga paramarsho numanam. Correct? In Moolam this is given, Tasmad linga paramarsho numanam. After that, Vyaparvat karanam karanam iti mate. When Vyaparvat karanam karanam is there, then in that mata, Vyapti jnanam eva anumanam. Everybody found that?
Yes, Swamiji.
Underline it. If you have different book, then I will tell you where you have to find. It will be under Swarthanumiti Pararthanumityor Linga Paramarsha Eva Karanam. Tasmad Linga Paramarsho Numanam. In that Padakritya you will find. So, what is Anumanam? Anumiti Karanam, Anumanam. But what is Anumiti Karanam? Linga Paramarsha is Anumiti Karanam. One. Or where Vyaparvat Karanam.
व्याप्ते विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता.
That is Paramarsha. Vyapti Vishishta. Here only Vyapti Jnanam. Where Vyaparvat Karanam Karanam iti mate Vyapti Jnanam eva Anumanam. Did you find that in Padakritya or not?
No, Swamiji.
You did not find. Your page number 61. Well, I am referring to my book. I don't know in your book. But those who have this PDF, page number 61, Padakritya, second last line.
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Now let us proceed further. And be alert, okay? We are now on page number 68. Padakritya. हेतुन्निरूप्य प्रसंगात हेत्वाभासानाह. दिस इज पदकृत्य. हेतुन्निरूप्य प्रसंगात हेत्वाभासान आह. हेतु निरूपणम इज डन. What is hetu? So hetu is, earlier it was explained, in the Pancha Avayava, second Avayava is Hetu. So that which is, it was said, either in Tritiya Vibhakti or in Panchama Vibhakti, Pancha Avayava will be there in Pararthanumana. So that is the Hetu. That was explained. Now, Hetu Abhasa, Hetva Bhasaha. So, what are Hetu Abhasa? Why this topic has come, first you understand. Then we will see the Tika. Every time it is not necessary that just because there is Anumana Prayoga, there is accurate Anumana. It is not necessary. There could be some Anumanam, but that Hetu is only illusion given to you. Like if I say, Parvato Vanniman, Vrikshat, Yatha Mahanasam. Mahanasam is there is one Vriksha, let us say. Parvato Vanniman, Vrikshat. There is fire on the mountain because there is tree. So now you see, in Parvata, Vriksha is there, so Paksha Dharmata is there. Okay. Vrikshat is Panchami Vibhakti. Panchami Vibhakti Prayoga is also there. And Vriksha has wood. Wood can cause fire. So you say, this sounds right. What is wrong in this? There is no Vriksha Vanni Vyapti. Like Dhuma Vanni Vyapti is there. Wherever Vriksha is there, Vanni is not must. So this is called Hetu Abhasa. They have given, it seems like it is a Hetu, but it is not accurate. So there could be different erroneous ways. Let us say somebody gives Hetu. Devadatta is inside the house because his chappals are here. Somebody gives another anuman. Devadatta is outside the house because his vehicle is not here. So now Paksha is same, Devadatta. Two anumanams are there. Both of their sadhya is opposite based on two different hetu. So two hetus are used, two sadhyas for the same paksha. Now both sadhya cannot be correct. Only one will be correct, another will be erroneous. Therefore, you will have to do more thinking. Only this much anumanam is not enough. You need more vyapti. Otherwise, one of them is hetu abhasa. But you will not be able to say which one. So, just because there is anumanam, just because there is paksha, sadhya, hetu, panchami, vibhakti, it is correct. There is no You will have to think. And most of the time, in Shastra discussions, when there are two darshanas, darshanika, you will have to see that they have right anumana, otherwise it will be always some hetu abhasa. Erroneous hetus will be there. Okay, so that's why this topic has come. Prasangat hettvabhasan aha. Hetun nirupya. Hetun means bahuvachana is given. Hetun, dvitiya bahuvachana. Hetun nirupya, having done nirupana of hetu. So, you can say Anvayi, Vyatireki, Kevalanvayi, Kevala Vyatireki, Anvay Vyatireki. These kind of hetus, three hetus are given. Now hetu abhasas are given. Moolam. Savyavichara, Viruddha, Satpratipaksha, Asiddha, Baditaha, Panchahettvabhasaha, Savyavichar Viruddha Satpratipaksha Siddha Baditaha,
सिद्धभाविताः
सव्यभिचार विरुद्ध सत्प्रतिपक्षा सिद्धबाधिताः
सव्यभिचार विरुद्ध सत्प्रतिपक्षाः
पंचहेत्वाभासाः
पंचहेत्वाभासः
5 hetu abhasas are given. But in these 5, first will say is of 3 types. Second one is something. Third one is 2 types. The third 3 types. Like that, there are more. Okay, these are 5 only categories. So there are more. Savyabhichara, first one. You have to memorize this. Second is Viruddha. Third is Satpratipaksha. Fourth is Asiddha. Fifth is Badhita. Okay. हेत्वाभाषा इज एक वचनम और बहुवचनम. हाँ, बहुवचनम.
एकवचनं
बहुवचनम. हेत्वाभाषा बहुवचनम. पंच see,
नित्य बहु
हाँ, पंच इज नित्य बहुवचन. करेक्ट. सो एवरीथिंग इज बहुवचनम देयर. पंच, you say it is not given panchaha or panchani, so it must be ekvachanam only. It is not ekvachanam, it is bahuvachanam. Pancha, like shatam, shate, shatani. So there 100 is called shatam, 200 shate, more than 3 or more shatani. That is different. Pancha is bahuvachan only, it's not ekvachanam. So savyabhichara viruddha satpratipaksha siddha baditaha is bahuvachanam, hetvabhasa is bahuvachanam, pancha is also bahuvachanam. This earlier itself I have explained. Oh, somebody asked a question, basic question. Prithvi has shabda or not? What is the answer? Prithvi has shabda guna or not?
Yes.
Anybody wants to answer this question? What is the lakshana for Prithvi? Prithvi is Gandhavati. Then Shabda, where is Shabda in Prithvi? Don't mix Nyaya Darshan and Vedanta Darshan. In Nyaya Darshan, Prithvi has only Gandha. That's all. It is last one according to Srishti Krama, that is Vedanta Darshan. You have to be very clear. Prithvi has only Gandha Guna. That's why Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate, or this anumanam vyatireki vyapti we did. Clear? Prithvi does not have Shabda Guna. So you have to see the Lakshana. Whatever they have given Lakshana, that is how you have to go. Okay. हाँ, रीड पदकृत्या.
सव्यभिचारेति हेतुवदाभासन्ते इति हेत्वाभासाः.
हेतुवद आभासन्ते इति हेत्वाभासाः. They look like hetu. Abhasante mean they appear like hetu, but they are not hetu. Okay, so the hetvas abhasaha, they are referring to, like if they say, what is savyabhichara? What will be your answer? What is savyabhichara? Savyabhichara is hetu abhasa. Viruddha is hetvabhasa. Sat pratipaksha is hetvabhasa. Each of these is a hetu abhasa. Okay. Hetuvat abhasante. They look like hetu. Iti. Hetvabhasa. Further.
तत्त्वं चानुमिति तत्करण अन्यतर प्रतिबंधक यथार्थ ज्ञान विषयत्वम्.
तत्वं च अनुमिति तत्करण अन्यतर प्रतिबंधक यथार्थ ज्ञान विषयत्वम्. Everybody has this line? You don't have.
Swamiji, the line that you mentioned in the last class, that is there before. I think maybe the line she's using is somewhere further down. It's further down. The other line which you said before was in your book it was earlier, is here now.
That line which I told you, Atredam Bodhyam. Now below, further you see. So there are some books, some things are here in there.
From bottom 6th line is now.
Okay, from bottom 6th line. तत्वं च अनुमिति तत्करण अन्यतर प्रतिबंधक यथार्थ ज्ञान विषयत्वम. I think before we go into Tika, let's just do the Moolam a little bit. It will be easy. What they are, it is said. See Moolam. Savyabhicharo anaikantikah. Savyabhicharo naikantikah. Satrividah. Sadharana sadharananupasambhari vedat. Sadharana asadharana anupasamhari. These three bhedas are there. So savyabhichara is of three types. Savyabhichara has another name, anekantikaha. So hetu, when it is savyabhichari, that hetu will be called hetvabhasa. So savyabhichara. That hetvabhasa will be savyabhichara. Means it is not hetu. It is only illusory idea about hetu. It is of three types. Sadharan, asadharan, anupasamhari. Okay, let us see further now. What are they? Tatra sadhya bhavavad vrittihi. Sadharano naikantikah. Tatra sadhya bhavavad vrittihi. Sadharano anaikantikah. Tatra sadhya bhavavad vrittihi. What is sadhya bhavavad vrittihi? If somebody will ask, what is sadhya bhavavad vrittihi? Don't say sadharana or anaikantika. Sadharana anaikantika. what is referred by sadhya abhavavad vritti? First you see every pada. There where there is sadhya abhava, sadhya abhavavat means what?
In that, sadhya abhava is there.
In that where there is sadhya abhava is called sadhya abhavavat. Sadhya abhava wala. That in which there is sadhya abhava. Sadhya abhavavat. Sadhya abhavavat vrittihi. This is the next thing. Means what?
Means in that, means in paksha,
So if you say in paksha, let us say, sadhya abhavavat vritti. Vritti means what?
in that, in.
In it, not locus. In that locus. Vritti means staying in it. If I say घट is bhutal vritti, means घट is in that bhutala. You can say bhutala is locus, or you say घट is in that locus, whichever way you understand. So घट is called bhutal vritti, means घट is on that bhutala. Sadhya abhavavat vritti. Now you have to pay attention to this word. Sadhya abhavavat vritti. Sadhya abhav वाला जो है उसमें जो रहेगा, साध्य अभाववान is something. In that something else is there. Sadhya abhavavan is what? बोलो.
Swamiji, is this related to when it says sadhya abhava? It can be samdikta sadhya abhava or nishchitya sadhya abhava, right? Which one would it go?
साध्य अभाव मीन्स निश्चित है.
So that is vipaksha.
So whatever is sadhya abhava, wherever there is sadhya abhava, vipaksha, निश्चित साध्य अभाव. In that निश्चित साध्य अभाव वाले में, in that vritti means that which is. Okay, so sadhya abhavavat vritti ही equals hetu. Understand? साध्य अभाववद वृत्ति ही कहा हेतु. There where there is sadhya abhava, in that parvata hetu is there. हेतु में धूम. साध्य अभाव is wherever there is sadhya abhav, whichever way. So you know there is no sadhya. Instead of parvata you say, you cannot give parvata drishtanta here. Let's say this anumana is there. धूमवान वन्ने है. So vanni is the, what is vanne hai? Hetu. Vanni is hetu. Dhuma is dhumavan. So dhuma is sadhya. So let us say somebody does anumana. पर्वतो धूमवान वन्ने है. So now if there is Instead of Parvata, let's say Ayogolaka, Dhumavan, Vanne. Ayogolaka has smoke because there is fire. In Ayogolaka, smoke is not there, you know. Sadhya abhava is there. Sadhya abhavavat. What is sadhya here in this anumana? Ayogolakaha dhumavan vannehe. In that, what is sadhya?
Dhuma.
Dhuma. Dhuma is sadhya. What is sadhya abhava? Dhuma bhava. Dhuma bhava is sadhya bhava. Sadhya abhavavat. Who is sadhya abhavavat?
Ayogolaka.
Ayogolaka is निश्चित साध्य अभाववत. साध्य अभाववत वृत्ति ही. In that sadhya abhava wala golak, that iron ball which is sadhya abhava, which is nishchita, in that vritti hi. Vritti hi means that which is. What is there? Vanni. So vanni hetu is there. There where hetu is there, sadhya is not there. That is called sadharano anaikantikaha. Sadharano anaikantikaha. He gives another example. यथा पर्वतो वह्निमान्
पर्वतो
प्रमेयत्वादिति. So yatha parvato vanniman. Anumanam is done. Parvata has vanni because prameyatvat. Now you see here, prameyatva can be there even when vanni is not there. Correct? In Parvata, vanni need not be there. Prameyatva is there. So Parvato vanniman prameyatvat, this prameyatva hetu is sadharana anaikantikaha. Why? Because now in Parvato vanniman, what is sadhya?
Agni.
What is sadhya abhava?
Agni abhava.
Vanni abhava is sadhya abhava. Sadhya abhava what? What is sadhya abhava what?
Parvata.
Parvata. In sadhya abhava what? Vritti. Vritti means vritti means which stays there. In sadhya abhava what? Parvata, what is staying?
Prameyatva.
Prameyatva. So prameyatva can be there in that parvata where there is no vanni. Vanni abhav वाले पर्वत में प्रमेयत्व है? हाँ. वन्नी अभाव वाले पर्वत में प्रमेयत्व है, वन्नी नहीं है. इसलिए साध्य अभाववत वृत्ति ही साधारणो अनैकांतिकः हो गया. You see, we have to have, when we do these kind of things, we have to have patience also. Even if we study only 2 lines, but if we understand, then we will, like it will stay with us. If I do, and 10 lines if I finish, and then next time you say, Swamiji, but nothing is understood, then it is of no use. So this much is clear, what is sadharano anaikantikaha?
Yes, Swamiji.
हाँ.
Swamiji, what is the relationship between sadhya abhava and prameyatva, and why is the same, even though there is sadhya abhava, there is prameyatva identity?
Acha. What is your question?
Swamiji, if I get correctly, Sadhya Bhava Vat is Swamiji saying Sadhya Bhava Vat is Parvat?
Means whatever is the paksha, Paksha is that where Sadhya Bhava is already known. In such Paksha also you can get Hetu. साध्य अभाव वाले में अगर हेतु रह गया, देर वेर साध्य अभाव इज नोन, इन दैट ऑल्सो इफ हेतु इज देर, then it will become sadharana anaikantika. So when Vanni is there and Parvata is Prameya, is okay. Everything in this Brahmanda according to Nyaya Darshan is Prameya. So that is Vanniman Parvata is Prameya. But Avanniman also is Prameya. So Prameyatva will be there even when there is Vanni not there. So wait. So your question is clear?
Swamiji, but if Anuman is Parvato Vagniman, isn't Parvata being Paksha, Sandigdha? So Sadhya Bhava you will not be able to say because Parvata, the presence of Vagni in Parvata is being questioned.
No, so here, you see, what you are saying is correct if the Anumanam is correct Anumanam. This Anumanam itself is wrong. Why? Because the Hetu is Hetu Abhasa only. What you are saying is true, it will happen when it is a valid Anumanam. So here what is happening, when somebody says Parvato Vanniman, that Prameyatva Hetu is Hetu Abhasa. Hetu is incorrect. So like how I gave the example, Parvato Vanniman Vrikshat. Vriksha is not Hetu for Vanni to be there on Parvata. In the same way, Prameyatva is inaccurate Hetu. So, Hetu itself is not possible there. This Hetu, Prameyatva Hetu is not possible to prove Vannitva anywhere. Prameyatva Hetu is not possible or not a valid Hetu to prove Vannitva. So, when you are saying that Parvato Vanniman and Sadhya Abhava, so Sadhya Abhavavan, see, Sadhya or Sadhya Abhava, either way, where it will be?
In Paksha.
In Paksha only. Whether you want to do Sadhya Siddhi or Sadhya Abhava Siddhi, it will be in Paksha only. So whenever it is said Sadhya Abhavavat, it will be Paksha. But what here we are trying to say is, you can get such Sadhya where, you can get such Paksha where Sadhya is not there, but Hetu is there. And therefore that Hetu is not right Hetu for Sadhya. That Hetu is Hetu Abhasa. साध्य अभाव वाले में अगर हेतु रह गया तो दैट हेतु विल बी कॉल्ड साधारण अनेकांतिका. लाइक प्रमेयत्व. प्रमेयत्व हैपन्स टू बी देयर एंड येट वन्नी इज नॉट देयर इन पर्वत. सो दैट प्रमेयत्व हेतु इज एरोनियस. क्लियर?
Clear, Swamiji.
योर क्वेश्चन क्लियर? Okay. Anybody else has any doubt? No. See further. Atra prameyatvasya vanyabhavavati hrude vidyamanatvat. So he has given example this way. Prameyatva is the hetu. Prameyatva hetu is available in Hrida. Hrida is there where there is Vanni Abhava. It is Nishchita. You can use another Parvat also, or you can say in Hrida. In Hrida, Vanni Abhava is there. So Prameyatvasya Vanni Abhavavati. Vanni Abhava is there. Prameyatva is there. In Hrida Prameyatva is there.
Yes, sir.
So Hetu is there. Sadhya is Not there.
Okay.
So Prameyatva is there, Vanni Abhava. So this you see, Vanni Abhavavati Hriday. So now you know, Vanni Abhava means Sadhya Abhava. Sadhya Abhavavati. Hriday you take, or any other Parvat also you can take, where you have Nishchaya that it is, there is no Vanni. Prameyatva is there, Vidyamanatvat. Kim Vidyamanam? कस्य विद्यमानत्वात्
प्रमेयस्य
प्रमेयत्वस्य प्रमेयत्वस्य so this one hettvabhasa is done. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.